Hi students, welcome back to the English grammar class. In the previous sections of the grammar English class, we had completed, do you remember, sentences, nouns, then pronouns, then especially the personal pronouns we had completed. Now, today in this section we will learn about the adjective. Okay. I am not taking every chapter, but according to the grammar I am taking. First take sentences, then do you remember imperative sentences, interrogative sentences, negative sentences we had seen, then nouns also, then nouns, especially the pronouns, then personal pronouns we had seen. Now this one is adjective. Okay, you can don't cover all the chapters. These special particular grammar we are taking. Okay, then today adjective. Okay, what is adjective in the grammar? What is adjective? Okay, the adjective is a word that adds something to the meaning of a noun. Okay, add something to the meaning of a noun. Okay, now let us go and see in the textbook only there is example. Ramesh is a handsome boy. You can see that Ramesh is a noun, name of a boy, name of a person. Ramesh is a handsome boy. Saying about Ramesh is handsome. Adding something to the meaning of the noun. Saying that Ramesh is a handsome boy. Then the next sentence you can see is saying about a girl. Mohini is a pretty girl. Mohini is a name of a person. Mohini is a, then that is noun, is a pretty girl. Okay, saying about she is a very beautiful girl. Pretty means beautiful. Okay, the next sentence you see that is a city. Agra is a place. Agra is a place. City is a historical city. Saying about Agra is a historical, something historical city means qualifying, meaning, saying about, adding something to the noun. Okay, do you now you notice these three sentences? Okay, this nouns is saying something, adding something to give meaning to the those nouns. Then we will call this one is adjective, means something adding to the meaning of noun. Okay, now these adjective are divided into so many there are, but we will learn about only three types of adjective in this section. Okay, first one is adjectives of quality, second one is adjectives of quantity, and the third one is adjectives of number. Okay, now let us go and see these three. Among these three, the first one, adjectives of quality. From that name you can understand is saying about quality. Quality means adding something, what kind or which kind. Okay, meaning that quality means saying what kind. Okay, what kind of a person, what kind of a thing, or what kind of a place, or what kind of a animal. Okay, something, always the noun, we are specifying the about noun. Okay, now let us go and see from the textbook only. The examples are given. You can see. Read the following sentences. Suresh is an expert driver. Suresh is a name of a person, then that is a noun. Is an expert driver. Okay, saying about Suresh is expert. Then this expert is qualifying his character. Ramesh, what kind of a person? He is an expert driver. Then this one is adjective. Then which kind of adjective? Qualifying adjective. Then it is called adjectives of quality. Saying about quality. What kind of a person? He is an expert driver. Okay, now let us see the second example. This is an excellent book. Okay, this is an excellent book. Saying about a thing. Book is a thing. Okay, what this saying about? Excellent. Then what kind of a book it is? It is a excellent, qualifying the book. Then this is adjectives of quality, saying about the quality of the book. Name, book is a noun, name of a thing. Okay, third one again. China is a large country. China is a country, place. Okay, we can say that it's a country. Then is a large. What kind of a country is? It's a large country. Saying about quality of China is a large. Then this is an example of adjectives of quality. Hope that you understood what is adjectives of quality. Okay, another example is not in the textbook. I can say this room is this is a room is very clean. Okay, oh, this room is very clean. Then this room is very clean. Clean is saying about adjective. What kind of a room? It's a very clean room. Okay, there are so many adjectives like this. Okay, now let us go and see the second type. We said this adjectives of quantity. Let us go and see. This is quantity. You can, from this word you can understand saying about quantity. Okay, quantity means how much. Okay, you can say that how much. Okay, now let us go and see the example, then you will clear about this one also. She was not telling the whole truth. She is a noun, was not telling the whole truth. Then this whole, how much truth is, there are so much truth then, but she is not telling whole truth. Then this whole is adjectives of quantity, showing the quantity. Now let us see the second example. Allow sufficient time to get there. Then allow sufficient time to get there. Then here is a sufficient, is a showing the how much time, sufficient time, how much. Then adjectives of quantity, showing the quantity. The next one, she gave a little laugh. She gave me a little laugh only. Then little is quantity, how much she laugh, little only she laugh. Okay, the next one, I do not have much money with me. I do not have much money. How much money is with me? Much money is not with me. I do not have, saying that I do not have much. Then this much is showing how much. Okay, then adjectives of quantity. Then I did not eat any food. I did not eat. How much food? Any food. Okay, showing the quantity. Hope you understood that adjectives of quantity. The third one is adjective of number. Okay, you understood also. The number means showing the number. How many? Okay, how many persons or how many things or how many animals. Okay, showing the number. Okay, you can see the exercise. Most boys like to play cricket. Here is most, means there are many boys, showing a number. Then that is adjectives of number. Okay, the next we will say December is the 12th and the last month of the year. Here is in this sentence 12th, showing a number. Then that is adjectives of number. Okay, showing the number. Then how many person or how many things, how many animals, how many, showing the how many, that is adjectives of number. Then you can see that the third one, there are no eggs in this refrigerator. Okay, then no eggs means showing a number. There is nothing, no, that is also showing a number. Then 7, the next example is saying about 7. Then the something others is most. Okay, more, that also showing a number. More, no, okay, nothing also, this also is showing a number. Okay, students, listen to me now. This I explained 3 adjectives. Adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, and adjectives of number. Okay, these 3 you can make 5 means 15 sentences showing the different, these 3 types of adjectives. That is your homework. Please everyone try to do. Don't look at the textbook. You can do yourself by making the sentences and adding adjectives of quality and adjectives of quantity and adjectives of number. Okay. Thank you. Hope you understood. Okay.